Okay, if you are in the market for a running backpack or a hiking backpack, or honestly just anything that you want to do outside, outdoors, you could even wear this biking. This is my husband's, but he absolutely loves it. We use it multiple times. And so right now his water pack is actually drying because we just used it this past weekend, but it does come with an insulated area that you'll put your like camelback bag in, and then it just snakes through right here, and then the cord goes along the front. This has a relatively large pocket. Let me undo this. So as you can see, plenty of storage in here for other things. It does have this mini zip pocket right here. Sorry, I'm trying to do this with one hand. But it does have, oh, there we go. Mini pouch right here, two little ones, and then a bigger one that you can put, sunglasses. We put food in there, things like that. It's got two side pockets if you want to do water bottles, and then the straps that go around your waist also have little pockets. And so then when you flip it over, it does have nice cushion and padding for your back. So I feel like it's super comfortable. You can just adjust this strap right here around your waist and around your back, however you want it. And then again, these pop forward and you have more storage there. So again, if you were in the market for like a hiking backpack or a running vest or something else. Oh, also I forgot to mention, if you wanted to, this can actually fit a helmet as well. This compartment can right here. So if you're a biker, big plus, it's awesome. Girls, get away. So yes, again, if you are in the market for a hiking backpack or running or trail running or anything outdoors, highly recommend this one. It has done wonders for us.